Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys, so we're at the end of the week. Let's update our Euro view as usual. Well, yesterday, as you can see, in general, we were correct on the statement from the Mario Draghi, and in this case, this time it was not as difficult as usual. It could be to foresee what really will be said, but anyway, reaction was not really very significant. It has completed our minimal target on the intraday charts, on the hourly chart as suspected, but after that, market just stopped the downward action. And this is understandable because the major driving factor today will be the gross domestic product release. So currently, guys, although the overall situation on the daily chart, on the weekly, it remains moderately bearish, but on the intraday charts, this could be some more significant pullbacks, because some patterns have been formed that could lead to deep retracement. Since I do not trade the data releases, personally I will not take any position today. I just will wait for data. But if you are trading this, well, you should be careful if you intend to go short. I think that it's better to wait for some reasonable retracement. Just to give you the hint on coming weekly report that we will publish, I would tell you that it's not necessary to be hasty with taking the short position right now. Because if the breakout of the level that we see on the high time frames will happen, this will open long road to the downside. And so be a real big potential, bearish potential ahead. If you will wait a bit more and even the gross domestic product release will be very good and market will collapse down, you will lose nothing, because after that, this will be a very important decisive moment, and after that, there will be a lot of moments for taking the short position. Conversely, if data will be flat or even slightly worse than expected, the market indeed will show the deep retracement, we will just get the better chance to enter. So this is a bit personal, of course, because you could have your own techniques for entry and what to watch for, but that is just how we own the market. On the daily chart, guys, we do not have something really special, so market has dropped below the COP target and stands flat after that. There's no barriers to go lower, so we do not have any fib levels, just oversold area that stands right here today, and previous lows of 113 area. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have two butterflies. Minor butterfly already has been completed. This was our minimum target, 1360. We said it's draggable. Comments will be flat and mostly will not change something. Be ready for a drop right from the 1440 area to the first hour target. OP target also has been completed. This is A, B, C, D equals CD OP target. So market right now stands on retracement. Following this logic, the next destination point should be 1618 extension of the larger butterfly that stands in 11320. Well, but currently, as you can see, market starting trending higher, and I will show you what particularly worry me concerning this possible deep retracement. So take a look what we have on the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, we have the narrowing formation, some kind of the wedge patterns, falling wedge, that's particular potentially bullish reversal. And inside of the wedge, we could identify the three drive buy patterns. So we have the first drive. This actually is based on the butterfly that we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. The first drive, second stands 127 on the first, third stands at 1618 of the first, and if you will measure the retracement of this, extension of this swing, you will see that's also 1618 of the second drive. So this is classical and very good shaped pattern. This pattern suggests the taking out of this top, because the minimum target of the free drive is top between the second and third drive. it means that retracement could be a bit deeper. Here's also we have the conference since 14:30. I don't know how particular this top will be taken out. Maybe this will be just emotional spike on the gross domestic product release. Maybe data will be mixed in the market, will accelerate further, then return right back down. It's very difficult to say. But having on the back this passion, right at the eve of the gross domestic product release, personally, I don't want to go short right here. So yes, the trade has completed perfectly. You can see, guys, here is ABCD, our retracement, pips to pips, and it's collapse. So, but currently, I think that it's better to wait. So my personal opinion is that if market will jump higher, we will see how it will happen, in what shape it will happen, and whether it's we should treat it as good chance to go short, or maybe we will change our opinion. Currently, it's difficult to say. If market will drop lower, this will put the foundation for the next week analysis, and this will be very interesting. Since if drop to the downside will happen, in this case, a really big space to the downside will be opened, and if even we will miss entry right here, right at this point, it will not become the strategy. So that's what we see right now on euro currency.